In this video, we are going to show you this portable air inflator provided by Asperx for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. On the front, you have your easy to read 3-inch LCD screen. The bottom part is your vent. On the top, you have your valve inlet. We have your LED light. Hold the light button to turn on. This is your always on mode. Press again for SOS mode. Long press to shut off. Here we have your USB Type-C 5-volt input. Charge time is about 1 to 2 hours. Weighs in at 1.32 pounds. Includes your 19.7 inches air hose, USB Type-C charging cable, few different kinds of air nozzles, a storage bag, and your user manual. Press the power button once to turn on. Here we have your battery indicator. You have real-time pressure monitor. And on the bottom row here, you have 4 different inflation presets. You want to press this button to switch to different presets. Right now we're at automotive. Your default preset is 36 PSI. Now we're on your motorcycle. Your default preset is at 35 PSI. Hit it again. We have your bicycle at 45 PSI. Hit it one more time. You can inflate balls at a default preset of 8 PSI. Hit it one more time. Where there's no preset selected, this is your manual mode. You can use the plus or minus button to select your preset up to 150 PSI. Long press that same button to change your pressure units. Right now you have PSI. Long press, now we have BAR. Long press again. We have KPA, and you want to long press the power button to get it started. It has a working noise level of 80 decibels within 3 feet. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Here we have your larger size all-terrain tire. We're going to go ahead and time how long it takes to get to the desired pressure of 36 PSI. Just under 3 minutes for the auto stop feature to kick in. So here we have a deflated bike tire. Let's go ahead and secure the air nozzle. Go ahead and turn on the unit. The PSI for this bike tire is 35. We're going to go ahead and bring that down to 35. Wait for that to blink to save. Then we're going to go ahead and long press to start. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.